Good evening, children. Welcome to Social Science class. Hope you all fine and safe at home. Today, we will start the chapter 11, our India. Shall we start? India is a land of diversities. We Indians are proud of the varied heritage of our country. The diversity in attire, language, tradition, etc. makes India unique. This chapter will help you to know more about the diversities of India. First, we will study about location, neighboring countries, states and capitals, and union territories in India. Let's come to the topic. We have already learned about continents. Can you identify the continent to which India belongs? Yes, India is located in the southern part of Asia. The ocean to the south of India is the Indian Ocean. The part of the ocean to the east of India is known as the Bay of Bengal, and to the west is known as Arabian Sea. The neighboring countries of India are China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Pakistan and Afghanistan. For administrative convenience, India is divided into 29 states. On 2014 June, Andhra Pradesh has been divided into two states, namely Seemandhra and Telangana. The administrative headquarters of each state is known as the state capital. Delhi is the national capital territory of India. Among these 29 states, Jammu Kashmir became the Union Territory of India, namely Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh, on October 2019. Now, India has 28 states and 8 Union Territories. This is the latest update. All of you must update this in your textbook. Understand? Let's learn the states in India. All of you listen here. This is the simple way to learn states in India. Using this method, we can easily memorize all the states. Here, at 3 means that there are 3 states in India which starts with letter A and T. They are Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Tamil Nadu, Telangana and Tripura. There are only one state which starts with these letters: Bihar, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Sikkim, Jharkhand, Punjab, Nagaland, Odisha and West Bengal. 5 states start with the letter M: Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Manipur, Meghalaya and Mizoram. 2 states names starting with the letters UKGH: Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala, Goa, Gujarat, Haryana and Himachal Pradesh. Is it clear? Other than the states, there are 8 union territories in India. They are Puducherry, Daman and Diu, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Chandigarh, Lakshadweep, Andaman Nicobar Islands, Delhi, Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh. Understand? That's all for today. List out and note the states and capitals from the map shown in this video.